The AnkerMake 3D printer. I want to tell you about this because if you're on the market for one, we have been more than happy with this specific one. And this is our second one we've ordered because we didn't love the last brand that we got. So I'm talking from experience, we like this one a whole lot better. First of all, this particular one is about 4 times faster than a lot other on the market. It also is self-leveling, which is awesome. The plate comes off so you can easily get your print off. It has a light indicator, which is really helpful. So when it's green, it's ready to go. Right now, it's saying that it is actually heating up. So the light, there's different lights that mean different things, which is super helpful. This screen is also really helpful. It is a touch screen, but then you can also work the printer through your app as well. So everything is right here on the app. Another really fun thing, oh, see now it's starting to level. It's homing, which means it's going to level itself out, get everything centered, and then start printing. But another really cool thing about this that we like is there's a camera. So you can watch exactly what it's doing in real time, and that little camera is right here. So it's really fun to watch it as it's printing something out. It also comes with this little toolkit, which is really nice. You can store some extra heads in there, just the tools that you may need to put it together. Anyways, we have been so happy. Oh, the main reason we love this one more than our last one, the number one reason is the print quality. Our last one, when we would print it, it would be full of little filament strings, so much so that you couldn't even really do anything with it. It made some of the image that we printed not useful, not fun to play with because there were so many filament strings. This one prints so clean. This is right off the printer. We have done nothing with it, no sanding, nothing, and you can see how clean it has printed this. We have just been so happy with it. So if you're in the market for one, I highly recommend the AnkerMake.